In our previous video, we created a LinkedIn company page and a LinkedIn event. In this video, we will learn how to run ads on LinkedIn. Click Work on the top right-hand side of the page and select Advertise. This will take you to the LinkedIn Campaign Manager. Now, create a Campaign Manager account by adding the account name, selecting INR as the currency, and the LinkedIn page URL. You can share access with other team members and define roles. This will help you to manage the ad account as a team. The primary role is that of a billing admin. For each account, you'll need to assign a billing admin. A billing admin can change account billing details, view account billing history, and print payment receipts. The user who creates the ad account is automatically assigned as the billing admin. An account manager can view campaign data and reports for the ad accounts, create new campaigns, edit existing campaigns, and manage user access for the account. A campaign manager can view campaign data and reports for the ad account, create new campaigns, edit existing campaigns. A creative manager can view campaign data and reports for the ads account and edit new and existing creatives, image, text, landing page. A viewer can view campaign data and reports for the ads account and cannot edit any campaigns or ads. Now, let's define a payment method. Click Billing Center. Now, click Add Credit Card. Fill in the relevant details of your credit card or debit card. Click Review Over to complete the process of adding the payment method. Click Account Name on the top. Select the Ad Account. Click Campaigns tab. Click Create Campaign. The next step is to select the campaign objective, which is divided into three categories, namely Awareness, Consideration, and Conversion. In Awareness, we have brand awareness, which can be selected as an objective if you want to tell more people about your products, services, or organization. This objective helps build awareness of your brand. Under Consideration, the first objective is website visits. It encourages the members to go to your website or landing page. These advertising campaigns will be shown to those most likely to click on your ad, which directs them to your website, landing page, or another URL. Then, we have Engagement objective to increase engagement on your content. Engagement actions include likes, comments, shares, LinkedIn page, follow, or clicks to a landing page or LinkedIn page. The next objective is Video views. You can share videos with more members and encourage them to find out more about your business by watching your videos. Under the Conversions tab, the first objective is Lead Generation. It helps you to get qualified leads of customers who click on your ad, go to a lead generation form that is pre-filled with their LinkedIn profile data. The next one is Website Conversions, which helps the advertiser to capture leads on the website and encourage valuable actions like making a purchase. The next objective is Job Applicants, which can be used by the HR department of a company to invite job applications for a vacancy in their company. Let us select Website Visits objective. The first step is to add a location. You can choose a country or select the cities you want to target. We can further narrow down our audience using Audience Attributes and Matched Audience option. The Audience Attributes allows you to target audience based on company, which includes company category, connections, company followers, company growth rate, company industries, and company names. Demographics, which includes age and gender. Education, which includes degree, the field of study, and member schools. Job experience, which includes job functions, job seniorities, member skills, and years of experience. Interest and traits, which includes member groups, member interests, and member traits. For the company category attribute, let us select these two options specific to India. In company connections, let us choose Amazon India as the company. You can also select specific company followers as well as companies with a specific growth rate. Then you can target specific industries as well. Let us select some random industries in this case. You can reach and show ads to members based on the organizations listed by a member on their profile. Based on the company added by you, LinkedIn will suggest other company names as well. Add those companies if you want to. The demographics option allows you to narrow audiences based on the age and gender of the members you want to show ads to. LinkedIn provides you options to target audiences based on their education, specifically based on their degrees, like master's degree in various fields. You can also choose multiple fields of study. Add university names if you want to target your audience based on the places they have graduated from. There are multiple options available within the job experience attribute as well. You can select specific job functions like marketing, management, sales, IT, etc. You can also target audiences based on their job seniority. Member skills option will allow you to further narrow down your audience based on skills like software engineering, management, strategic planning, etc. Do check out suggestions provided by LinkedIn as well and add from those if you find them useful. You can target ads based on the years of experience of a member too. If you want to save your audience and use it for other campaigns too, you can save it as a template, give it a name, and describe it for quick reference. Now, we have to select the ad format for the ad. Single image ads include one image and appear directly in the LinkedIn feed of the professionals you want to reach, whether on desktop or mobile devices. Carousel image ads allows you to display multiple images in succession in a single carousel-style ad format. Carousel ads can be customized to have unique images, captions, and destination links that help you tell an interactive story on desktop or mobile devices. Video ads are used to tell a rich story about your brand, position yourself as a thought leader, or share stories of customer success. Text ads consist of a headline, brief text, and an image. Message ads, also known as sponsored messaging ads, are display native ads shown to your target audience through LinkedIn messaging. Follower ads encourage members to follow your LinkedIn or showcase page on desktop or mobile devices. These ads are tailored to each member as they feature their profile photo next to your company's logo, plus their first name and your company name in the ad copy. When members click on your spotlight ads, they'll instantly go to your website or landing page. These dynamic ads may be seen on desktop or mobile devices and are tailored to each member based on their own LinkedIn profile data, like profile photo, company name, or job title. Let us select a single image ad. Keep the LinkedIn Audience Network option disabled if you want to have better control over your ad spend. Select whether you want to set a daily budget or both daily and total budget. Add the amount for this ad campaign. Then, select the period for which you should run the ad. Keep the bid type as automated. Click Next, save it. Create a new ad and give it a name. Add introductory text for the ad. Add destination URL. Upload the image for the ad. Add description. Use it to communicate the value proposition you are offering. Define a call to action and click Create. Click Next to review your campaign. Launch it once you are ready to do so. Let us go to the Account Overview section and create one more campaign. Let us select the engagement objective for the campaign. We had saved our audience while creating the previous campaign. Let us use the same saved audience for this campaign as well. Let us create a follower ad that will use personalized profile data to promote your company page. Then let's select a budget. Select the start and end date for the ad and use the maximum CPC bid option. This option shows the ad to the people who are most likely to engage and take action. LinkedIn Estimates suggests that we will spend approximately Rs 77 per click. Click Next and save this campaign to move to the Create Ad section. Select the appropriate headline from the available options. Other options like your company name and ad image are auto-selected by LinkedIn. Select the personalized ad description you want to show to your audience, or you may choose to write a customized ad description. Select a call to action and save the ad. Review it and launch it once you are ready. Let us look at one more example with lead generation as an objective. Let us select Save Audience. Select Message Ad Format. Define the budget and set the schedule. It shows the recommended bid amount for one message ad sent to the in-mail of the target audience. Click Next and save the campaign. Create a new ad and name it. Select the sender of the message in case multiple people managing your ad account. Select the subject. Add message text. You can personalize your message by using the Insert Custom Fields option. Define a call to action. Add the landing page URL. Select an existing lead gen form, or you can create a new one. Let us create a new one and give it a relevant name. Add offer headline and offer details. It is mandatory to add a privacy policy link. Select the information you want to collect from your target audience. Ask for as little information as possible to enable the users to fill the form quickly. We have selected here only their first name, last name, email address, and phone number. LinkedIn allows you to ask them questions related to their work, company, education, and demographics. You can add a custom question as well. Add the message the audience will see post confirmation. Define the URL and call to action. Click Create to add this form to your ad. Review your campaign and launch it when you are ready. Once the ad starts running and leads start coming in, we can download it. Go to the Campaign Manager, select the Ad Account, click the Campaigns tab, then click the drop-down menu on Account Assets and select Lead Gen Forms. Select the lead form for which you want to download the leads and click Download Leads option. Since the ad is currently not active, the option is disabled. Once the ad starts running and leads start coming in, this option will be enabled. Let us now see one last example of a new type of ad format that LinkedIn is testing currently, which is conversation ads. Let us select it, save the campaign, and start creating an ad. Name it. Upload banner and go to the next step. You can see multiple templates are available for the ad. Selecting the Offer Professional Services option. There are multiple calls to action available. Depending upon which call to action the user will choose, the response to it will vary. Let us add the button next to the destination URL for each call to action. Go through the intro message and make changes to it to make it suitable as per the services you offer. On the right-hand side, there is a flowchart made available to walk you through the workflow of the conversation. Click on it and add relevant text based on the prompts made to you. Click Create. You can also test it out by sending a test message to yourself and check out how it will appear to the person receiving your ad when they click on the various options configured by you. Once you are ready, review and launch the campaign. When the ads start running, the account overview section will provide you all the analytics for the ads that are running. The ads on LinkedIn are shown in your feed. In your LinkedIn messaging, to the right-hand side of the feed or on the top of the feed. Hope this video helped you understand the basics of the LinkedIn ad creation process. This marks the end of our LinkedIn marketing module. Check out other videos on our channel to learn about different aspects of digital marketing. This video is created by Team SalesPanda. SalesPanda is an advanced marketing automation platform for channel partners, delivering efficient and easy-to-use channel marketing solutions for resellers, distributors, partners, agents, and dealers. SalesPanda platform has made wide-scale applications in various industry verticals, including mutual fund and financial services, insurance, real estate, information technology, etc. SalesPanda is an easy-to-use, hassle-free and scalable SaaS-based platform designed to help brands and their channel partners optimize their digital reach in no time. For more such videos about digital marketing, subscribe to our channel. Also hit the bell icon to get instant notifications when we upload a new video.